Hi everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I have a haul. It's not super big, but I still wanted to film it for you all, so let's get into it. The first shop I want to share is Nitty Designs, and I lost the cello bag. I think I accidentally threw it away after I showed it on my Instagram story, so I just want to show this one first. But each month, Nettie and I create a freebie for my coupon code. So if you use the code Amanda25, you can save. And for the month of December and maybe a couple weeks after, we will be including, she will, but she's doing all the work. She'll be including one of these freebies. I asked on Instagram if you all used gold or silver more during the holidays, and it was split 50-50 exactly. So she decided to do both, and they will go in randomly. So if you put my name in the notes, you will either get silver or gold freebie. And this is my weekend banner, or this is her weekend banner, and then a overlay. And it is on half, so you can put it like this or flip and have the confetti on that. And they're both on transparent paper. And then this was another freebie that came with the order, and then this pink one. And then I did get a couple functional stickers. So this first sheet are just Etsy icons in rose gold. I've said this before, but I still associate all shops with Etsy. I don't know why. It's just because that's kind of where a lot of them started. So I still associate a lot with Etsy, and I know a lot of shops are still not on Etsy, but that's okay. And then these are the Etsy icons in silver. I do already have them in gold. And then I got some overlays. I love her confetti overlays. I do already have a bunch, but I love all her variations. So this is the confetti one, and this is style J. And this is rose gold. I have gold and silver. So I like how you get so many options. And then I did get a kit, but I do get her kits a la carte. So I have the glitter headers, and this kit is called It's Cold Outside. I love this photograph kit, and I love the soft colors. I think it's so beautiful. And then I have a little fuzzy. This fuzzy won't leave. There we go. Sorry about that. Half boxes, quarter boxes, and some checklists. And then the bottom washi, sidebar tracker, and some washi. So this again is the kit It's Cold Outside, which is so pretty. So that is my order from Netty Designs. My next order I want to share is from Rose Color Days, and I just cannot get over her cello bags. They're so pretty. I'm obsessed with them. And I do keep them, so let me know how you use cello bags, because I love this. And then this was the journaling card that was in my order. This is my favorite one. I'm putting this in my planner immediately. And then this was the freebie. This is a freebie that comes in every order, which is just foiled, but each time it's a different color. And then this is Nikki's freebie that you can get if you put Nikki in the notes to seller. This is in rose gold. And then this sticker, I've asked, I remember posting on Lauren's or Rose Color Days Facebook, asking her to make sheets of these because I love them so much. And I think that was a very popular request. So she finally brought it to her shop as a $2 Tuesday. So I'm so, so happy. This is a Nikki's script. So Nikki wrote this, and it's stunning. I love Nikki's penmanship. It's so pretty. So it says buy all the things, and this is in light gold, which is stunning, silver, gold, and rose gold, which is so pretty. It's bad that I have to get, my mindset is I have to get all the foils, which is so bad. And that there's 4 foils that I my staple 4 foils, so it's bad that I always need 4. It used to be bad that I needed 3, but now I need all 4. And then I just got a repurchase of these silver work scripts. I have immense amount of her scripts and I absolutely love them. So I needed to get another silver one. So that is my little order from Rose Color Days. Next I have an order from Letters to Apollo, and I love this cello bag. This was from a sale that she had a while back, and I'm so happy that this came in. I stocked up. So this was the freebie that came in the order. This freebie was exclusive to the sale. So it says shop till I dropped, or shopped till I dropped. Nail appointment, get that money, honey. Hair appointment, $2. $2 make me holla. Planning sesh, plan next week, washi Wednesday. And then this is my freebie that you can receive if you use the code Amanda10, which is so pretty. It says work this week, laundry, and plan next week, and it will come in black, silver, gold, or rose gold foil. So the first sheet I have is Lazy Day, and Jessica from Letters to Apollo hand writes all of these, so they're stunning. I love that. So that's in silver. Here, I'll hold this so it's a little easier. I have the Happy Mail in gold, Happy Mail in rose gold. I need to start getting silver because I find that I've been using silver a lot. Happy Birthday in rose gold. Happy Birthday in gold. She's currently closed at the moment because she is currently moving. So hopefully she'll reopen soon and I can get some silver stickers. Sticker sale in rose gold. Sticker sale in gold, which is so pretty. I love this. FaceTime date. Me and Jessica have gotten so close recently, like the last couple months, and we FaceTime like 6 days out of the week. So I asked her to make a sheet of these and she brought it to the shop, and I'm so happy. They're so pretty. So I have rose gold and gold. I have a workout in all 3 foils. She did include an extra gold workout because she knows I work out all the time. And then I have taco night, which I love tacos. My weakness is chips and queso. I know I've said that so many times. And then she was so sweet enough to include a couple extras. So this says $2 make me holla. So it's a full sheet of this, some smaller sizes. And then hair appointment, which is so cute, and planning sesh. And she did switch all her paper to premium matte, which I'm so happy about. It's stunning paper. It foils beautifully, and I'm so impressed. So definitely check out her shop. When it reopens, you will all love her stuff. Next is just one print. I have a print from Holly Nichols, and this was the freebie. The other half of it had, this is her, she's stunning. The other half of it had like a coupon codes, but I cut that off, and I just cut this because I want to put this in my planner. I think it's really cute. It's just like a girl with a hat and flannel. She looks super winter. And then I got this journaling card that everyone and their mother has, but I don't care. I think it's so cute. I love pink. I love purple. She looks so warm and cozy. And I think that I could bring this into like now until like February because of the pink and just the winter feel. So that is what I have from Holly Nichols. Next is an order from Two Little Bees, and this was my Black Friday order. So let me do the freebies first. So if you were the first, I believe it was either 50 or 100 orders, you got a couple extra freebies, which I love freebies. I'm all about them. So this freebie is with Hello Petite paper. So you have a full box, some little cute Disney inspired icons, and then a little quarter box that has some scalloped on the inside, which I love. And then a gold freebie from Rose Colored Days with some heart accents, bows, quarter boxes, flags, and checklists. And then this is a freebie from Two Little Bees. It has 2 quarter boxes, a little full box with a fox, some icons, and then a little header with some bows. Then lastly is a freebie from Coffee Monsters Co., which has little characters, which are so cute. So those were the freebies. And then if you ordered, I believe on Black Friday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern, this was the Doorbuster freebie. So it is a full sheet and it has some full boxes, quarter box, or half boxes, quarter boxes, a little clipboard, some more quarter box labels, icons, script, and flags, which are so cute. And this matches a freebie that she gave out a couple weeks before Black Friday, so it created a mini kit, so I'm super happy about that. These two die cuts were also included, the fox and this little mug with hot chocolate and marshmallows and this little deer. I love that. Those are so cute. And then I just have one kit, and this kit is called Winter Wonderland. It has the same aesthetic that her last winter kit. She had a kit come out last year, I'm not sure what it's called, but it reminds me of this, which is so pretty. I love the colors. So you have your 9 full boxes, and this looks like my dog. Oh my goodness. And I did get the horizontal kit. She does sell horizontal and vertical, but I decided to pick up the horizontal just because I've been using my B6 and my personal wide a lot. So I thought I would get the horizontal, and then on the bottom has some quarter boxes and some headers. Oops, I forgot a page. And then some horizontal or some longer flags, or smaller flags, bows, icons, script, and tons of deco, which are so cute. And then a functional sheet with some checklists, a sidebar tracker, some headers, icons, flags, some headers here as well, bill dues, appointment labels, bigger washi strips, half box, habit tracker, weekend banner, and some dots. And then patterned headers, today to do, and bow headers, which are so cute, and then some little things and half boxes. And then your heart, and then your bow checklist. I am in love with these bows. And then a little clipboard with some washi strips at the bottom that can be used as headers. And then quarter boxes and like bigger washi strips that can be used as quarter boxes, and then your bottom washi. And this washi is split here, so you can use it for the Erin Condren, and it's split. Oh, well, yeah, that. So these are split right here and on top. So many options. Oh, this is cut out too. So this is really cute. This would be cute to add with the weekend banner to like layer on. That'd be really cute. So that is everything from Two Little Bees. Next is an order from Little Miss Papery, and this was included in my order, which is, I'm so happy about. This is so cute, so thank you, Brittany. This is just like a pre-planning pad, and it has all the days of the week, and then next week, and then it says what you're doing, which is so cute. I love that. And then I just got one kit, and this is her Fireside kit, which is so pretty, and I got the mini kit. So in the mini kit, her new format is the glitter headers are included, and then this is the new freebie that goes with that is exclusive to the kit. So I love that. And then this is the kit. I think it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. So you have your 9 full boxes. This says welcome home, warm and cozy, and it has this cute little kitty and then a little dog. You have your functional sheet with some checklists, icons, flags, script, weekend banner, lazy day, daily chore, rescheduled nope, planning. Everything you can think of is on this sheet. And then half boxes, quarter boxes, sidebar trackers, headers, and habit trackers, and bill dues. And then checklist, date covers, work labels, and more half boxes. I love this font that she now includes, and I love it on the date covers because it's very simple, and so I love that. Because sometimes date covers can make a kit feel very busy and kind of make the spread feel very busy, so I like how she has a more simple feel on the date covers. And then your bottom washi, I like how this all continues. And then you have your another bottom washi here, and then tons of bottom washi strips here. She used to include deco, but I like how she adds more bottom washi strips and more quarter boxes and 1/8 box. So they're half of a quarter box. And then some dots there. So that is my order from Little Miss Papery. Next, my next 2 orders are from Black Friday. This one is from Nikki Plus 3. She came out with a Valentine's Day kit, and I thought it was so pretty. So I wanted to get it, and I love her paper and her kits. They're all so beautiful. This is the freebie that came with it. You get 12 bows in gold foil, a pink, a gray, a marble, and then another pink. So cute. And then I did get 2 sheets of her bows. This is in the colorway Be Mine. So she makes colorways or colors for like different seasons and holidays. So this was one of her Valentine's Day colors. So I have rose gold and silver, which is so pretty. So you have like a gray and then a white and then like a more mauvey pink and then 2 more pinks and then like a fun, like, it reminds me of OPI Cajun shrimp, which I don't know. But I have that in rose gold and silver. And then I got 1 kit, and this, like I said, is a Valentine's themed kit, but you could use this for an anniversary or anything like that, because it doesn't say Happy Valentine's Day or anything. It just has some pink and hearts. So you have your 8 full boxes and then some quarter boxes and flags. I love the big bow right there. You could put like a little quote there. That'd be so cute. And then half boxes, washi strips, some like heart accents, flags, script, little bow icons, or like little dots that are actually bows. Those are cute. Those are super cute. I like those a lot. And then weekend banner and some deco, and then patterned headers, your heart checklists that are foiled, today to-dos, and then some habit trackers, bill dues, appointment label, heart, like a 3-heart checklist, and then some icons at the bottom. And then lastly, the washi sheet and date covers, a sidebar tracker, and then some quarter boxes down here that are foiled. And these are all foiled too. I love the little accent strip here with all those bows. That's adorable. And then you have some dots there. So that is my order from Nikki Plus 3. I'm so happy I picked this kit up. So I'll definitely be using this for the week of Valentine's Day, the week before, but definitely be using this. The last order is from My Newest Addiction, and this was the journaling card that came with it. It just says Carpe Diem. It has this really pretty watercolor pink background. And then this was the freebie that came in my order. It says sometimes all we need is a fresh start, and then Hello 2019. This is one of her new colors. I'm not sure what it is, but it's so pretty. And then you also get some date covers, and it's foiled with rose gold, so that's so generous. And then I did get 1 mini kit, and this kit was a collab with Aria's Daydream, and it's called Cozy Chic. So you get 9 full boxes and then some labels at the bottom. I love this kit. Her mini, like this kit is the perfect size. And then you get your bottom washi, and this is separated so you can use Simply Gilded washi or any other washi there. Some flags, another label, date covers, patterned headers, which I love. That's so pretty. Weekend banner, some bows and little laundry line. And then deco, some more bows here. And then these are, they can be used as headers or like little dividers. So those are super cute. And then you have bows. Those are so cute. Those are little bow accents that you can like, bow scalloped accents you can put on the corner of boxes or anything of that matter. So those are adorable. And then you get some more quarter boxes and half boxes, and then deco. I can't remember if I said that, but yeah. So that is such a beautiful kit from My Newest Addiction. All right, that is everything for my haul. I hope you all enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, my Let's Stick on Paper, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.